Queen of this town. It takes a queen to create a star, held in such high esteem. A queen's what you are. Not every queen wears a crown, though it's there to be seen. You're the queen of this town. When we see your heart, and it shows such love, we hope you see your part. You've done so much good. Your life has been hard, and we'd ease if we could. Held in such high regard, spare more time than you should. You can't hide your passions, they lie in your actions, not something you ration, they'll be everlasting. You've extended your hand across many a land, extending the brand to many more fans. And all he begun, you've continued with some. Now fans of your son are fans of his mum. With an elegant style, an evident guile, an ever-present smile, the superlatives pile. It's a testament to your will, and it's a testament to Phil, how each day of yours you fill with a display of your goodwill. So when I think of words of praise, I think of the ones Philip gave. If you see my mother, won't you give her all of my love, for she has a heart of gold there, as good as God above. Philip gave you his, now we mean to give you ours. Philomena with a kiss, you're our queen among the stars.